Good morning everyone. I am Junichi Ugay and I am here to discuss about the basic intellectual property valuation in terms of assumption, financial, market, and production. So, wala ko nakita nga sa pag-search ani nga topic no. So, nag-base na lang ko sa gihatag ni Sir which is relevant result sa akong topic which is the cost which is the IP valuation, which is the PIP valuation is the cost method, income method, and the market method. First is the cost method. Cost method is based on the intention of establishing the value of an IP assets by calculating the cost of developing in a similar as IP assets either internal or external. So cost method no, kani siya nag-hisgot siya sa nagasto sa usa ka sa usa ka developer which is na usa ka IP assets nga ilang gi-develop mo nang naghisgot sila ani pila ang nagasto sa pag-develop ana nga IP assets. For example, na usa ka product which is owned by intellectual property owner nga ilang gi-develop into a improved version of that product. So, adto tong cost method pila ang ilang nagasto sa pag-develop adto nga product. Second is the market method. The market method is based on comparison with the actual price paid for a similar IP assets under comparable circumstances. The more information available on the nature and extent of rights transferred, including the detailed term and condition, the circumstances of the transaction, the more accurate the valuation will be. So kaning sa market method, kani siya nagisgot na ni sa pricing from the wala pa ma-develop nga IP assets into na develop na nga IP assets. Sa cost method kay ang nagasto ra man to sa pag-develop. Sa market is ang price na from the actual IP assets into develop IP assets. So kung mas detailed ang na-develop nga IP assets and it is in good terms and conditions, so mas nindot jud, mas dako jud ang price sa na-develop kaysa wala ma-develop nga IP asset. So the third is the income method. The income method value the IP assets on the basis of the amount of economic income of that IP assets in expected to generate adjusted to the present day value. This method is commonly used for IP valuation. So income method is it talks about pila imong nahalin on that, pila imong na income on that developed IP assets. So before you ka mo develop og usa ka product, dapat jud imong nanaon nga kana imong gi-develop is halinon jud na until in the next few years, kay pa dili pa pud masayang imong gi-develop og na jud kay income kanunay, kay kanunay man mahalin na imong gi-develop. So para nakakanunay income, dapat magama ka og mag-develop ka og mga IP assets na gamit karon until in the next few years para nakakanunay ma-income sa imong gi-develop nga IP assets. So that's all our report. Thank you.